Today, we're going to be making a fuzzy navel, and a fuzzy navel made with Sumo citrus. If you've never had Sumo citrus, it's like if a navel orange and a mandarin had a baby. And these oranges are delicious. They're seedless, they're very good to eat, but I found they're very good to juice also. So check these out. Look at the inside of these. Now those are nice. After you have your oranges juiced, you'll need to gather a few ingredients. You're going to need a vodka, you're going to need peach schnapps, and you're going to need a little bit of orange liqueur that just sets it apart from anybody else's fuzzy navel. And since you'll be using Sumo citrus, you're already going to be having something that probably nobody's had before. These Sumo oranges, the juice is something that you probably never had before. And that's what's going to make this drink awesome. So let's get started. You're going to want to start with 3 ounces of fresh squeezed Sumo juice. I like to make the fuzzy navel in one of these mixing cups. 3 ounces of Sumo juice. You'll go in with 1.5 ounces of vodka. You'll go in with 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps. And with the Cointreau, it's a neutral spirit orange liqueur. It's really good. I just like to use a little bit, maybe a bar spoon and a half. You'll mix up your cocktail. I had the glass that I'm going to be using for this fuzzy navel chilled down with some ice. I'm just going to discard that ice. I'm going to pour directly into my glass. And I'm going to garnish with some dehydrated navel oranges that I have here. And there you go. A good drink for the holidays and very delicious. Sumo fuzzy navel. Let's give it a try. And remember, you can make it better than the bar.